Thanksgiving is coming. Are you ready? So let's make this more creative with Filmora. Hey creators, welcome to Filmora Creator Academy. This is Deepak and today we will learn how you can make interesting and cool Thanksgiving videos by using freeze frame to create a snapshot effect with the camera shutter sound. So stay tuned. Before we proceed, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss any Filmora updates in future. So here I have prepared some videos and background music. So firstly add the background music, then trim the main part and cut out the rest that you don't want. Now double click on the audio layer and increase the fade out so that the audio will end up smoothly. Once we are done, I will drag my video clips on the video track one by one, then I will trim that out and arrange them according to the sequence that I want. Now I have a tip for you. It's a new feature of Filmora. So whenever you want to trim the video, rather than trimming on the video track, just double click from the media tab and you will get the video on the project media. Now move your play slider where you want to start the video and then press I so that the video will start from there, and where you want to end, just make your play slider there and then press O. These keyboard shortcuts will allow us to trim the video without adding it on the track first. So now drag and drop it from the project media to the video track. Isn't that simple and amazing? Now let's continue to add the video clips on the video track using this simple and quicker method. After we complete the adding of video clips, just go to the effects tab and search for thank. Now add some on your project. I am adding this one just above the second one video clip. You can adjust it according to your convenience. Great! Now just go to the titles tab and search for Thanksgiving. Now take out some good titles to be added at the starting of the video just above the first video clip. I am adding this one and I will add it just above the first video clip like this. So this is our main title. This title is looking so good. So let's increase its duration and cover the first two videos like this. Then on the titles tab, choose one good lower third and add it just above the third video clip and adjust it according to the starting and ending of the third video clip. Now select one opener and add it just after the last video, and this will be our outro. Now I will find a frame where this family is doing cheers and click on the button to take the snapshot, and this snapshot will be automatically imported on our project. We will edit and make this one part something like it was being recorded and suddenly someone took their photograph. So we need suitable graphics for that, and we have film stocks. At the top of Filmora, you can find this download button to download many cool and interesting effects and elements. So just click on that and you will be directed to your web browser. Now from here you can see filmstocks.com, and here on the search bar you just need to type take a photo, then click on the first one, then now click on download now, and from here you will be redirected to the software's film stock window, and from here you can wait for the download, and when it's done you can close this window and go to the titles tab, and from the left side you can find this one subcategory of take a photo. Just click on this and see we have great many titles that are suitable for our this one part. So before adding them, you just need to select all the things above the video clips and move them 2 tracks up. Now we have space to add these titles. So just select this one title and add it somewhere like this. I am making the titles starting where they are doing cheers so that we can make the photograph part of it. So now drag the snapshot we took and add it here, decrease its duration and make the perfect timing. Now click on the image, then this edit icon to change the scale and rotation of the image to make it fit according to the frame like this. To emphasize the photo frame, let's add some blur on the background video, and of course we have left a video track for that. So now go to the effects tab and search for blur. Now take out this one square blur and add it just above the video when they are doing cheers like here, and adjust its duration according to the frame that we have made. Now the background video is blurred and our main part is highlighted. Now you just need to click on the blur layer, then this adjust button, and change the intensity by changing the alpha of it. Now hit OK and then double click on the titles and change the text according to your desired text. Then click on OK and go to the effects tab, and this time search for flare. Now you can see these amazing flares. Just take out this one and add it here. It will look like the camera is actually taking the picture, and this is the flash of the camera. So just adjust the flare, decrease its duration, and make its starting point a bit before than the starting of the photograph. Now put the last title here a bit left, then double click on it, then go to the animation tab and apply this fade in by dragging and dropping it at the starting of the title like this. For this one title as well, just click on it and then click on adjustment button and go to the animation tab, and from here take out fade out just right here on the title. Now hit OK, and then we need to add another effect. So just go to the effects tab and search for film and put this dirty film effect at the top to cover whole the project that we have made till now. Then go to its adjustment layer and decrease its alpha to somewhat around 70 so that its intensity will be not much higher. Now click on OK. Oh, finally, go to the transitions tab and add dissolve transition at the suitable areas like between the video clips and somewhere between the titles as well. Hey, before exporting the video, I have an idea. So just go to the audio tab, and from here you have sound effects subcategory. Just click on it and search for snap. Then you can see this camera snap audio. Just add it on the second audio track a bit before than the starting of the photograph. Now cut its duration to make it shorter and to produce only one clicking sound. Now we have a camera sound as well. It is so realistic. I am excited to watch it. So let's finally export the video in full HD resolution and see how it's looking. We did it, creators! Our creativity made the video super awesome. Now just comment down below and let us know which film stocks effect you are going to add for your Thanksgiving video. See you in the next one video of Filmora Creator Academy. Happy Thanksgiving and goodbye. If you like to recreate this video, you can navigate to Filmora Creator Academy in Filmora Video Editor and click Import Template at the bottom of the video to get the project files and replace the default media with your clips. If you would like to learn more about video editing, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay updated when we upload a new video on this channel. Do check out our other tutorials on this channel and comment below to let us know what you want to learn next. Till then, stay creative with Filmora.